Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your Samsung Galaxy M13 using app called RAR. So first of all, you need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to unpack. Mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar, so we'll need to click on that in order to open its contents. So here it's protected by a password. We'll need to enter one right now. Click OK. And here we have the files. Now let's select each file that we want to unpack. Click on this arrow pointing up. Click on Browse in order to pick the destinations where the files will be unpacked. And I want them to go to movies. Click OK to save that. Here you can change the settings for the extractions, like what will this app do when it encounters duplicated files. So you can pick Ask Before Overwrite, Overwrite without prom, or Skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. After everything is set, click OK. And that way you'll unpack 3 of the pictures that we just selected. Now let's move to the movies, and here we can find them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.